Hey folks, if you're rolling around in a Ram 2500 with the big 6.4-liter Hemi and you're still rocking that quiet stock exhaust, you might be missing out. A good aftermarket exhaust isn't just about volume, it's about letting your HEMI breathe, giving you better throttle response, more growl, and that road-dominating sound. Today we're digging into the best exhaust systems made to wake up your Ram 2500 without making your ride a drone box. And hey, all the links to these systems are down in the video description, so you don't have to go hunting. Let's start with a heavy hitter, Flowmaster's American Thunder system. This bad boy brings serious bark and bite. Now listen to this growl. It's made from 409 stainless steel and features a 50 series HD muffler tuned for that deep aggressive tone outside, but without making it unbearable inside. You get big 3-inch mandrel bent tailpipes and 2 polished 4-inch tips, plus 2 different exit options, either out the sides or straight out the back. It fits one 49.4, one 60.5, and one 69.4-inch wheelbase Rams with coil spring suspension. And yeah, it clears the factory spare. Easy bolt-on install and built to last with a lifetime limited warranty. Just make sure your truck doesn't have the factory airbag setup. Next up is the MagnaFlow 19200 Street Series. This one's all about that clean, smooth rumble. Refined, but still plenty muscular. Here's how it sounds when you hit the gas. With a big 4-inch main pipe and dual polish mufflers, this catback system helps improve flow and keep performance on point. It's robotically welded from stainless steel for long-haul durability and a perfect fit thanks to 3D scanning tech. The big 5-inch tip out the passenger side gives your Ram a clean performance look. It's got a deep tone outside but stays chill inside the cab. And MagnaFlow backs it with a limited lifetime warranty. American-made and proud of it. Sliding in next is the BORLA, and man, this one's for the folks who want a no-compromise setup. Let's hear this beast in action.
That was a home run.
Made from T304 stainless steel, this system's built to take a beating and still shine. It bolts right up, works with all cab and bed configurations, unless you've got dual rear wheels, and features BORLA's S-type muffler for that aggressive but clean sound, with no drone, guaranteed. The 5-inch black chrome tip is the cherry on top, and as always, you're backed by BORLA's famous million-mile warranty. It's premium gear for a premium sound, loud when you want it, mellow when you're cruising. And finally, the MagnaFlow D-Fit muffler replacement. If you're not ready to go full catback but still want a throatier, more powerful sound, this kit's your sweet spot. Check this out. It sounds way better than stock. It's a direct bolt-on system that swaps in a performance muffler without touching your factory piping or tailpipe. You get MagnaFlow's iconic straight-through design with acoustic packing to keep it loud enough to be fun, but not so loud your neighbors hate you. It's a budget-friendly upgrade that still gives you noticeable gains in sound and flow. Made from stainless steel and backed by MagnaFlow's lifetime warranty, it's perfect for a quick and easy upgrade. All right, y'all. That wraps up our top exhaust picks for the Ram 2500 with a 6.4-liter Hemi. Whether you're going full catback or just upgrading the muffler, there's something here to match your budget and your style. Want aggressive sound, more flow, or just a better look? You've got options. Again, check out the links to all these systems down in the description. If this helped you out, do us a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.